Hi friends, this is Rekha Vinod. Welcome back to Rekha's Cookbook. Today I am going to share the recipe of Kesar Peda with milk powder. This is a very quick and easy recipe and can be prepared within 10 to 15 minutes. The required ingredients are milk powder 1.5 cups. I have used homemade milk powder. You can either use store-bought one. Have soaked 1 pinch saffron strands in 1 tablespoon warm milk, 10 to 12 pistas for garnishing, ghee 1 tablespoon, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon. Condensed milk 1 cup. Heat a heavy bottom pan on medium flame, preferably a non-stick pan. Add ghee. Once the ghee melts, switch off the stove and add condensed milk and milk powder. And start mixing it without any lumps. Mixing the condensed milk and milk powder without lumps is a crucial part in making milk powder peda. This is the reason for switching off the stove. The heat in the pan is more than enough. Keep stirring it until you see soft and smooth lump-free batter. This takes around 5 minutes. I am fast forwarding the mixing process. Now the condensed milk and milk powder mixture looks smooth. This is the time to add saffron soaked milk. Combine everything and switch on the stove again to the very low flame. Keep stirring it to avoid sticking it to the pan. Continue to cook in low flame. Peda is usually made with khoya. As this is the instant recipe, it requires milk powder. Milk powder peda has very smooth texture and it is very chewy to eat. After continuous stirring for 6 to 8 minutes, it forms into a thick batter. Now add a teaspoon of ghee and give it a good stir. Finally, add cardamom powder and mix it well. Once it is mixed up well, switch off the stove. The flame is in very low. Make sure the entire process is cooked in very low flame. Do not overcook it. Overcooking could make it hard and dry. Now allow the peda mixture to cool down. When the peda mixture is warm enough to touch, apply ghee to your palms. Take some dough in measuring spoon to get even size pedas. Make into smooth balls and garnish with pistas or any nuts of your choice. Same way, make all pedas and garnish with nuts. The quick and simple milk powder peda is ready.